I guess we'll see how this snowfall comes in a few hours. It's supposed to be here by 4, and if so, we'll have an adventure, but if not, it's just been cold and about the same as everything else. Hope that's not a bad sign. We're down to... feels like 24 again. Wonderful. Alright, we're getting our first little sprinkle of something icy. See if it amounts to anything. Probably more sleet than snow at this point, but it is frozen precipitation. We're definitely getting some flurries in Apalachicola right now. Got some accumulation there. Ooh. Feel like I'm at the ski slopes. This coming down. I am not in upstate New York though. Northwest Florida. Here we snow. Oh. Need to plug in my battery. Happy New Year, Northwest Florida. Getting a little bit of a winter storm. But we got our heated seat on and we're charging our battery. Buddy's plenty happy in here. Okay, that is our snow ice covered window. I'm trying to knock the ice off of the door handle out here as much as I can to prevent myself from being completely frozen in. But yeah, we got the electric blanket in the car now, so we're not gonna try and freeze outside if it starts getting too wet. This is kind of on the, we're right at freezing now. It says it's 32 out now, so we shall see how this looks in the morning. It's been a long night. Okay. Almost 7 a.m. and I'm realizing that's East Coast 7 a.m. But my clocks have been switching to Central Time a bit while I'm here, so the 7:21 sunrise. Maybe an hour away? I don't know. Let's hope not. We're gonna see. Beautiful day. Alright, time to clean up the bathroom. Oh, looks like we got a lot of snow on top. That'll be fun.
We got a sheet of ice. I don't think we're losing that on the way. Alright, let's hope we can find our roads. And we don't hit anything on the way. But let's sleep. Doors are always open. Alright, let's see what we can do.